Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or if you're a new lurker, welcome. Thank you very much for taking time out of your day, evening or afternoon to watch my video and support me. I created this channel primarily to document my debt-free journey as well as to track my progress in using this cash envelope system. And also to my current subscribers and those who have left comments, my deepest gratitude for your inspiration and your encouragement as well. So I'm just gonna jump straight into the cash stuffing because I need to go run some errands after this. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna start with my grocery envelope, and it's gonna get its usual $140. So that's gonna be 250s and 220s. That's 50, 100, 120, 140. Household is gonna get $10. And if you're new here, I pre-fill my trackers the night before to save time. With the $10 that I'm putting in this envelope, it is now going to be $95 in here. So that 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95. So you're gonna notice that in this group of envelopes, some of these envelopes have no trackers, and that's because there are my revolving funds and I dip into them quite regularly. And the ones that I don't dip into regularly, I have trackers for them because I want to keep track of the spending and the savings in these envelopes. So yeah, gas is gonna get $100, and that's gonna be 220s, 410s, and 45s. So I actually still have $10 left from last 2 weeks, but I just didn't have time to go grab them from my bag. So this gas envelope has $110 now. That's 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, and the $10 that's in my bag. Medical is gonna get its usual $30. So that's gonna be a 20 and a 10. Oops. So this should now have $260. So let's see, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 260, right? I'm still working on counting all the odds, and like many budgeters, we are so used to counting even numbers that this is going to be a challenge for me. But I am getting there. So yeah, home maintenance is gonna get $20, and that should bump it up to $90. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. And if the denominations in each of these envelopes look a bit different from the last video, that's because I had to make change, and I will talk about that in a moment when I stuff this pink binder. Sucker Punch is also gonna get $20. So that should now bump it up to 115. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 115. Hygiene is gonna get $20. That should bump it up to $75. Got 20, 40, 50, 60, 75. Yeah. Pantry is not gonna get anything from this paycheck, and family time is gonna get $10. Oops. So that should now bump it up to $40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Moving on to my cat's envelope, cat binder, sorry. This kid is gonna get $50. So that should now bump it up to $75. 50, 60, 75. Vet care is getting $50 as well. And that should bump it up to $400. And we just need $100 more to reach my goal of $500. Then after that, I'm gonna focus on topping up my cat's emergency fund. So at this point, I do have an amount in that account that I can feel happy with. I just need to top it up to the targeted amount that I have. So I hope that's gonna happen soon, and he's gonna be safe and healthy. And yeah, so it's $400. 150, 250, 350, 400. So the thing about the system is that it does help me be more disciplined, and being able to see myself have money in these envelopes and for specific goals gives me security, which is something that I truly value. And that is what the cash envelope system has given me. And also just that gratification and the gratitude that comes with, you know, being able to have resources and the money when there are other people in the world who are struggling at the moment. Not that I'm slamming those people. So yeah, truly grateful for that. Medicine is gonna get $25. No, family. So this should now bump it up to $50. So that's 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. Fun Fluff is gonna get $10. Okay. So that should now bump it up to $35. 10, 20, 35. So moving on to my pink binder, which is my personal needs and wants. This binder has gotten a lot skinnier. The reason being is that Michaels recently had an end of season sale. So Cricut vinyl and tools were discounted at 40% off, which is pretty rare. And they seem to have these sales at the end of every season. Although I asked the employees about this, they said they have it randomly. So I just cannot miss the opportunity, and I had to take money from a lot of my envelopes. So if you notice here, splurge is empty, personal spending is empty. I still have $5 in coffee. Clothing now has $50 as opposed to $345. Beauty is empty. Moving out is empty. I didn't take money out of continuing education. Etsy is definitely empty. Eating out is empty. Gifts, birthdays, Christmas, I didn't take from, and my personal lotto is empty. Did I have any regrets? None at all. Again, Etsy shop equals future investment and therefore potential to gain more money. And yeah. So for the first time, splurge is not gonna get anything. Personal is also not gonna get anything. Coffee is gonna get its usual $15, which is 3 5s. So this should now have $20. 5, 10, 15, 20. Clothing is gonna get $200. And as I mentioned in my last video, I am trying to save up for a down coat, and I do not want to freeze to death during the winter, so I have to pay myself back in order to be able to survive. So with the $200, this should now have $250. So 100, 200, 20, 40, 50. Okay. So beauty, moving out, are not getting anything. Continuing education is gonna get $50. This should now have $165. So 150, what am I doing? 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. So my goal by the end of the year is to have $350 to put towards my continuing accreditation in order to keep my job. So I work in health information management, and every year, in order for us to stay in the Canadian College of Health Information and Canadian Health Information Management Association, we have to pay an annual membership fee in order to stay active as members. If we don't, then we lose our membership and ultimately our jobs. So that is why I did not take money from continuing education to put towards to put towards Cricut supplies, because my job is my bread and butter for the time being. Yeah. Etsy is gonna get $25. Let's put you aside. $25. Eating out is not gonna get anything. Gifts is getting $20. Should now have $80. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Birthday is not gonna get anything. Christmas is gonna get $20. So this should now have $110. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110. Personal lotto is gonna get $5. I'm just gonna stick this guy in here. Easy peasy. And work lotto is gonna get the last $5. This should now have $20. Okay. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Wow. So yeah, that was the fastest and shortest video I've ever made. And if you've stuck out with me to this point, thank you very much once again for your time and your support. And if you haven't done so, please hit the like button and consider subscribing because it really helps me out. Until then, I will see you in 2 weeks and stay safe.